Hello everybody, I'm Stephanie Haney here for 3 News. I am here with your latest Ohio Department of Health numbers. We've just got the new numbers out for the confirmed COVID-19 coronavirus cases here in the state of Ohio. Numbers have jumped significantly since what we saw reported yesterday. As a reminder, yesterday there were 704 confirmed cases. Now, as of 2 p.m. just now, the Ohio Department of Health has said there are 867 confirmed cases of COVID-19 coronavirus here in the state of Ohio. There are 223 people hospitalized, and a total of 91 of those patients are in the intensive care unit. We've also had more deaths. We've got a total of 15 deaths from yesterday to today confirmed due to the COVID-19 coronavirus. Yesterday, that number was at 10. The age range remains the same. People less than 1 year old to up to 94 years old have been confirmed as positive for the COVID-19 coronavirus, with that median age staying at 51, and the percentages have stayed the same: 53% of males, 47% of females impacted with those positive numbers. Something that people might be taking an interest in is the fact that gas prices have dropped drastically all the way around the country. There are several stations in the Cleveland area that have gas below $1.20 a gallon. The lowest gas price in this area as of this morning was $1.06 per gallon. That was at a gas station on Lorraine Road here in Cleveland. The head of petroleum analysis at Gas Buddy said earlier this week that gas prices are actually the lowest that they have been in 18 years, almost 2 decades. Nationally speaking, 1 in 4 gas stations around the country have gas at under $2 per gallon. If you're just joining us, I'm going to give you those updated numbers one more time. We now have 867 confirmed cases of COVID-19 coronavirus here in the state of Ohio, with a total of 223 people confirmed as hospitalized, and 91 of those patients are in the intensive care unit. The deaths have jumped a little bit from 10 yesterday to 15 now. That age range remains the same, less than 1 year old to 94 being the oldest person confirmed with COVID-19 coronavirus in the state of Ohio. That median age staying at 51, and the breakdown between males and females staying the same: 53% males, 47% females of those total people who have been confirmed positive for COVID-19 coronavirus. Here's an update for people related to high school sports. The Ohio High School Athletic Association has definitively declared that all winter sports tournaments are canceled. Now, don't be confused. We're talking about sports that started in the winter of 2019. Previously, up to this point, those tournaments, we're talking about basketball and things like that. Wrestling had been postponed, but now they are officially canceled. This cancellation is expected to cost OSHA between $1.4 and $1.5 million. Definitely not a situation that they took lightly, but what they felt they needed to do in order to stop the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus as we look into potentially how long we may be in this situation where these non-essential activities and these large-scale gatherings just need to not happen. Over in Southern California, a man has been arrested related to trying to peddle a false cure for the COVID-19 coronavirus. Officials say that Keith Lawrence Middlebrook was asking for investments in a company that would market this alleged medication. Middlebrook is accused of claiming that he developed pills that would prevent infection of the coronavirus. And Middlebrook is also accused of telling followers that he developed a vaccine and a cure for people who had tested positive. Now, as a reminder, there is currently no cure for COVID-19 coronavirus. There is no vaccine for COVID-19 coronavirus. Medical researchers and professionals are working around the clock in order to get us to that point, but at this point, it just does not exist. As of right now, for what Middlebrook is charged with, he could have faced at least 1 count of attempted wire fraud. So the FBI has taken him into custody, and he will have to answer for those accusations. Now, of course, he's just been arrested at this point. There hasn't been a trial. There's been no conviction, so we can't say that Middlebrook has done these things. But if so, it's pretty pretty terrible thing to be potentially happening at this time, while we're all trying to do our best to stop the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus. Those are your latest updates here from 3 News. I'm Stephanie Haney. Governor Mike DeWine is about to begin his press conference. You can find that on our Facebook page, also on our YouTube page, and on 3 News over the air. I will see you at 5 o'clock in What's New with Betsy Kling and Jay Crawford right here from my house.